There she is, ready for paint. As I was going through it this morning, in fresh light outside, I saw two very minor imperfections that I would have sworn were not there. I would have told you she was absolutely perfect, and then you get her outside and you look at her differently, and so I need to get those done before she gets sprayed, but she's headed off to the spray booth today. So I am beyond excited. As a matter of fact, I'm flat out exhausted with giddiness, I think. But hopefully I'll have her back in a couple of weeks and we can start putting on the shiny bits. It took a long time, but it's back from the paint shop. And Lola looks amazing. I could not be more thrilled. I'll gradually give it a walk around just to give you a feel for it, but she looks fantastic. The hood and the trunk are in the back seat of the truck, wrapped up. I'll pull those out in a minute, but I'm gonna start bolting shiny bits on this weekend.